What is inside a black hole? And why science can't answer it? Black holes are not just objects in space. They are regions where reality itself begins to break down. They warp space. They slow time. And beyond a certain point, they erase information from the universe. At least, that is how it appears. For years, black holes were considered theoretical objects. They were regarded as mathematical oddities within Einstein's formulas. However, today we know that they truly exist. We have detected them. We have observed stars being torn apart by their influence. We have even captured an image of one. Yet despite all of this, the most important question still remains unanswered. What actually exists inside a black hole? To approach this mystery, we must begin our examination at the edge. The event horizon is the boundary where escape becomes impossible. Once this boundary is crossed, nothing can return, not even light. From the outside, an object falling into a black hole appears to slow down. It fades and seems frozen in time. However, for the object itself, there is no unusual sensation at first. It crosses the event horizon without feeling anything special. At this point, everything becomes even stranger. Inside a black hole, space and time have exchanged roles. Progressing forward in time becomes just as unavoidable as moving forward in space. There is no possibility of returning. The future is directed inward. At the very center of the black hole lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, infinite gravity, and infinite curvature of space-time. Physics collapses here. Einstein's formulas no longer function. Quantum mechanics cannot describe it. Our laws of nature simply give in. Some theories suggest that the singularity does not actually exist. Instead, it may have been replaced by something else. A compressed core or a quantum state. Perhaps even a kind of gateway. One idea proposes that black holes connect to different regions of space-time, wormholes, bridges between distant parts of the universe, or perhaps even between entirely different universes. Another, even stranger view claims this. Black holes may be creating new universes. According to this theory, our universe may have begun inside a black hole in another universe. From this perspective, the Big Bang was not a beginning. It should be seen as a transition. While a collapse occurs on the outside, an expansion takes place on the inside. If this is true, then every black hole could be the seed of a new universe. Realities hidden beyond event horizons. But the mystery does not end here. Black holes give rise to one of the great paradoxes in physics, the information paradox. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be destroyed. But black holes seem to do exactly that. They swallow matter, energy, and information, and eventually evaporate through Hawking radiation. When they disappear, where does the information go? If it is truly lost, then the universe becomes unpredictable. The laws of physics collapse. This paradox has puzzled physicists for many years. Some believe that information is encoded on the surface of the event horizon. Others think it escapes through subtle correlations within Hawking radiation. And some suspect that we are missing a deeper theory altogether. One thing is clear. Black holes are not merely cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are laboratories where gravity, time, space, and quantum mechanics collide. They reveal the cracks in our understanding of reality. And perhaps the most unsettling idea of all is that black holes may be looking back at us. Not consciously, but structurally. They define the limits of what can be known. Beyond the event horizon, there is no information, no observation, no return. And this forces us to confront a terrifying thought. There are regions of the universe that are permanently hidden even from reality itself. Places where questions exist, but can never be answered. Black holes are not ordinary voids in space. They are voids in knowledge. And deep within that darkness, the universe may be doing things we were never meant to see.